Perfect, got our battery templates on because we're going to drill some holes and put the cables in the wall, so look mean, and the gateway's going to go there, so just going to sort this capping out.
Bro's not moving at all.
Got this absolute steal from Bunnings yesterday. It's end of line, display model. The bro sold it to me for 60 bucks. Right, got the isolator done. What do you guys prefer? I've just ripped into the cable and left the neutrals and earths connected all the way through and just split the phase into the isolator. Do you guys always add them into the bar, or do you just split them like that? Awesome, so we've got our top holes there and there, cables all through, isolators done, just getting our mains through here, got our battery cables and control cable for the battery through, make those off, make it off on the board, and main, solar made off, batteries made off, mains in and out, so we just need our jumpers from there up to the bars, batteries both made off, screw the lids on, do some testing, connect it into the main switchboard, which is on the other side of this board, and we'll be away. There we go, 2 batteries in a gateway, all done. Home time, baby. Trust in your vacuum. All clean.